Unlock more push-ups with 3 tips. Want to finally break through that plateau and smash out more reps? In this video, I'm going to share 3 proven tips that'll help you increase your push-up count fast. We'll talk about technique, strength, endurance, and how small tweaks can lead to big gains. So, if you're ready to level up and outpush your past self, let's get straight into it. 1. Master your form. A lot of people struggle with push-ups not because they're weak, but because they're wasting energy with poor form. Start by placing your hands shoulder-width apart, fingers spread for stability, and your body forming a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core, glutes, and legs. Yes, this full body tension makes each push-up more efficient and keeps your spine safe. Keep your elbows at about a 45-degree angle, not flared out. This reduces shoulder strain and recruits more chest and triceps power. 2. Train smart. To get better at push-ups, you need to train for both strength and endurance. That means doing more than just regular sets to failure. Use techniques like greasing the groove, doing multiple sub-maximal sets throughout the day. Also include variations like incline push-ups, diamond push-ups, and explosive clap push-ups. Inclines help you build volume without full body weight strain. Diamonds hit the triceps harder. 3. Build your base. Sometimes your limiting factor isn't push-up technique, it's weakness in your supporting muscles. Work on your core with planks and hollow body holds, strengthen your chest with bench presses or dumbbell presses, and train your triceps with dip. The stronger these muscle groups are, the easier it'll be to pump out more reps without fatigue setting in. Also, don't forget mobility. Tight shoulders and wrists can limit range of motion and cause discomfort, reducing your output. A 10-minute warm-up with arm circles and wrist stretches can make a big difference. Push-ups aren't just physical, they're mental. Your brain will often tell you to stop before your body actually needs to, so practice mental reps. Set mini goals mid-set. Instead of aiming for 30 all at once, break it into 3 sets of 10 without resting. So there you have it. Form, smart training, strength building, and mindset. Keys to unlocking more push-ups starting today. It's not about doing hundreds overnight. It's about consistency and applying these tips to your workouts. Try them out, track your progress, and watch those numbers climb week after week. Hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.